we're here at my cabinet shop and we use this table saw a lot. This is a T-fence for cross cutting that we use a lot as well. And we're gonna show you how to use it because we have one, but this is nicer because it has a bigger cross cut guide for it.
So we are adjusting it right now because you actually have to make sure it fits the actual rolling part of it to the actual your saw, right? Just make sure you're aware of that. And then you gotta also lift it up from the back. Now, we had to make some modifications. There are some actual two bearings on it. We took them off because the bearings were not fitting this, all right? So we grind them off just to let you guys know. So we modify it, but you have to do what you have to do for your table saw. And unfortunately, it didn't want to fit none of our two table saws. So we had to grind the actual two little guides that had, two of the bearings. But after that, it works beautifully.
So this here, the nice thing about this versus the original one, it has more accurate if you want to go to the, they're more visible to the 45s, the 30 seconds, 1/8 of an inch. Usually we use them a lot, so that's a nice thing about this T-fence. So make sure you wear safety glasses because sometimes it throws splinters on you, especially with solid wood. So this is to square wood when you're cutting it. We want to have a clean square. This is factory edge. You want to make sure you cut it when you're building something, so that's the reason we got it for. So the nice thing about it, you hold it here, that is here, and that's what doesn't throw the wood back at you.